Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be fishing here at the pond, or my neighborhood pond, and I just wanted to let you know I'm going around this. Oh my god, look at that. That bird just took a freaking fish out of water. Sorry, that scared me. But I'm going to be fishing today. I'm going around the state with my dad, and I'm going to be making a lot of videos. He said he would most likely go into Texas, and I might be able to catch like the bass of my life, like huge, is what I'm talking about. And yeah, so I'm gonna be fishing today. What I have on right now is this black and blue jig. I don't even know what it's called, but you know, that's what I'm using because it's what I got. I have a bunch of other things, but yeah. Hopefully I can catch some bass. I also have my casting net in here in my bag. So yeah, make sure you guys like and subscribe, and go subscribe to ETHAN space DANTIER so that he's not mad at me anymore, because we got in a little argument the other day. So go do that. I'll be back with you guys when I catch some fish. So I got you in the chest mount right now. Oh, hold on, let me adjust it. That's good. Now I'm just gonna cast, see if I catch the fish. My friend AJ said that this chest mount don't work that well. I guess so. It just works for now, AJ, if you're watching. Once I get a camera, like maybe a GoPro, I'm gonna save up for one. I'll get a chest mount and it'll be like way better, like pointing out to the water where you could actually see. Hold on. Like this is the highest the camera bit or the chest mount goes. There's nothing wrong with the phone. It's a great phone. It's just the freaking chest mount. So what I'm doing with this jig is I'm just jerking it like that, I guess. That's how I caught a bass in here before. With this same jig actually. I'm about to come over here to these reeds because I know there's tons of fish over there all the time. I was just casting it and had no luck, so obviously the fish aren't out. Because if I did the first cast, which I did, and it was a perfect like pancake, I could have caught something, but guess not, because oh, there's a bluegill right here. I need to bring my casting over here in a little bit. Maybe I'll get a little casting segment for you guys, because I've never done that before. I just got this casting net. The cheapest cast net they had, but pretty nice for learning. It's my first cast net ever. Alright. These fish are really sensitive. Like if like you're within like 20 feet away from them, they get spooked. Because this water is pretty clear. That was a horrible cast. So I have this little weak knot.
Why don't you ever model for me, Mrs. Kensington?
You know how Mr. Kensington feels about that.
Oh, be.
Hold on, let me get it out, guys. Sorry if this is really boring right here.
Baby. Yeah.
Bro, these birds are going in on the fish. They're all the way out there in the middle of where the reeds are. They're just diving in on the fish. Hold on, let me reel this in, guys. When there's a knot like that, never just leave it, because it can get really bad. See this? I mean, it was really easy to get out, but never just leave a little knot like that, because it can mess up your whole day. Trust me. My friend once casted a jig a little bit bigger than this out there, a little like past these reeds. He walked out over there and he casted. He just let his jig sit, and a pretty good sized bass ate it. Oh my god! My casting with this chest mount, I'm like so scared to cast, so it's like kind of hard for me, because I don't like want to knock my phone out and mess up my phone. Oh, I got pushed into about over here by some girl that I know. Don't ask who, because you might know her. She pushed me in with my phone in my pocket. Thank God I landed on the other side where my phone was up. But yeah, That's an interesting story for you. This is getting boring, guys. I'm sorry. I'll get to you when I catch a fish, okay? So I just fell. So I didn't do very good with that lure. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and use my cast net, guys. It's a 4 foot and a 3 something mesh. I don't even know. But yeah. I'm gonna put the camera right here for you guys because I still need to get something to put my camera up, like a tripod. Sorry guys, the video just stopped out of nowhere. I don't know what happened. I'm gonna go grab my cast net real quick.
It is the world that has been pulled over your eyes to blind you from the truth. What truth? That you are a slave.
Oh my god! I just fell again, guys. I'm falling apart. Alright, just gotta check the nuts. I'm gonna show you how to do it, guys. Let me put my phone up just a little bit. Hopefully this one isn't so bad so I can show you guys how good I am like this. Alright, guys, ready? Not bad, not bad. Yeah, so I'll show you guys how to do it. I know a lot of people want one. I just started. Maybe I've done this like maybe in 5 days. Not in a row, but I've done it. Look, I cast again. That's what happens when you cast on. It tangles up like that. I'm gonna show you. So you get the rope up in your hand like this. I prefer maybe like, hold on, let me get this number. Maybe like as much as you, a big or small folder than that. But I would get at least to the hip or the waist, whatever it's called, I don't even know. And then grab anything, maybe grab like a weight, and then grab down to where your arm can reach, and then do this. And then you spin around, and then take some practice. I just failed right there. That was not a good one at all. But it takes a lot of practice. I got it within like, I don't know, 20 tries maybe, but it's good to start by trying on the grass, which really helps out. I just did it on the grass, which is why it was on the grass, and if you saw, it was a perfect circle. So, how you throw a cast net, guys. Alright, I'll be back to you and I'm catching some fish. Alright guys, so I didn't catch anything with my cast net, but I'm not giving up just yet. I'm gonna go back at it. I might put on another lure since I have some stuff in my box to use. In my bag. In a box. But I'll skip all that part and I'll show you what I have on in just a second. I'll be right back. So I just put on this weird looking tube thingy. And it's what I'm using to try and catch a bass. I told you I'm not quitting. If I don't catch anything in this video, then I don't catch anything. Because this is a video I promised to you guys the other day when I checked in. I have to make sure I do that, get that promise done, and I don't let you guys down. So if I don't catch anything today, guys, I will catch more fish sometime this summer. I know that I'm not gonna be doing much fishing for a little bit because I'm gonna be with my dad on his semi truck doing work with him, doing loads and stuff. So I don't know when we're gonna be going to go fishing, but I know we most likely are going to go to this place called something caverns. I forget, but I'll put a picture of it on right now. And yeah, that's what I'm doing. So if I can't catch a fish here, then those videos are coming up, and stay tuned for those. So, yeah, I'll be back with you if I'm having luck or not. Okay, I'll be back. Bye. I'm gonna put you guys in the chest mount. Hold on, let me get it on real quick, guys. It was crazy. After it landed over there on the land, and then I brought it into the water. Something blew up on it. So I'm gonna see if I can't catch that fish, because I really need to. Oh, this stinks like my bait. Oh, let me tell you a quick story. The reason why I say that it smells like my bait is because sorry, I just accidentally stopped it by pressing the power button. But I accidentally left my shrimp, like that me and Nathan were using, in my bag, and I didn't even know that it was in there because I looked the day before and I couldn't find it. Next day, my whole garage stunk, and I had to switch out my backpack, if you can tell. But yeah, that's my problem. Not really my mom's or anyone. Okay, let's see if I can't catch this fish. Doesn't look like it blew up again. But it legit came up. I saw it all the way on the other side pretty much. It came up and it swooped at it, but I had it on, but it let go of it. It was probably a little too small. Or probably too big, actually, for the fish. Guys, if I don't catch this fish, then make sure you like and subscribe and stay tuned, because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be able to make some banger videos soon, so just have to stay tuned. And if you're not subscribed and if you haven't hit that notification bell, what are you doing? Because if you want me making better videos than this, just please do it, please. Because I'm saving money for my YouTube videos, you know that. Well, not all of you know that, but I'm trying to save up, get a new GoPro, chest mount and stuff, because I really badly need that for my videos. Maybe I can talk to my dad about it when I'm with him. You know, if you're watching this, Dad, I'm gonna talk to you. Just a heads up, you know. Oh my God. No! It looked at it and then it ran away. Guys, this fish is playing tag with me right now. Alright, if I do not catch it within 2 more casts, guys, you have to like and subscribe. That was a bad cast, so I'm not going to count it. What I'm trying to do is make it come up under the water like it's a frog, and then that's what happened, and then that basket on there. The thing I want to know what I found out? I left like all of my fishing stuff at my house, so I don't have that much. I only have whatever I have in my little tackle box. But yeah. Alright, that's cast 1, guys. I do not want to end this video without a fish, but oh my God, that's definitely gonna get a fish. I don't know if you guys heard that, but perfect smack, like it smacked on it. But I almost caught a little bass in my cast net. It's probably the same one going for this. I'm kind of hoping it's not, because it's way too small to eat this. You know what, guys? Let me just come over here and see if I can spot anything. Sorry if this video is kind of boring. I hope the music makes it better. Okay, I'm gonna come right over here. Right over here is where it smacked, and then I brought it in the water, and he came up and ate it. I'm just give you guys a couple more casts so that this video is a little bit extra juicier. Oh my God, no! Oh my God, he's over there. Oh my God! Please just eat it, please. Okay, guys. I hate to say this, but we're wrapping up the video now. We had a horrible day. Didn't catch anything except for a couple of feathers in my cast net. and some sticks on my rod and in the cast net. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Stay tuned because we got some bangers coming up. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy. Peace.